So the next letter is the ra, right? The ra is going to be an exception letter. Depending on whether if the ra has a fatha, a dhamma, or a kasra on it, the characteristics and sifa of the ra are going to change. Now that means that when a ra has a fatha, the ra will be full mouth, heavy, such as ra. You see, the lips are making a circular shape and you are producing the sound from the front of your mouth, ra. So there is going to be a slight flutter, not a whole lot, as if the ra would have a shadda on it, but there will be a very slight flutter in your tongue and you will produce the sound ra, 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 ra.